draw this manga girl in Procreate. Let's go. Choose canvas size. First, set a background color. Then select layer 1. Let's pick this color for now. And we will use the mono line brush. I have set opacity of my brush at 100% and size at 10%. Now let's draw a circle. Adjust the shape. Fill it with color. Readjust the position. Next, go to Canvas and turn on the drawing guide. And click Edit Drawing Guide. And turn on Symmetry, so whatever we draw on the left side will end up on the right side as well. Now go to Magic Wand and select Liquify tool. Adjust the size. And select Push Mode. Now push at bottom and push on the sides, and we are trying to make some cheeks. And here we will make a nice little chin. Let's switch to white color and draw an eye. First, draw a small circle and adjust the position. And fill it with color. Again, we will use Liquify tool. And push the bottom of the eyes a little bit and sides, try to give a nice shape. Next, add some shading to these eyes. Now we will use soft brush. Adjust opacity and size of brush. Now add shadow on the top area of eyes. Next, add the irises. For this, draw a circle, adjust the shape and drag in color. Again, we will use a Liquify tool to push and pull some parts of iris. Now we give a light color to face. Now we will go over the top area, darkening it, and add shadow on edges as well. Next, add a pupils by making a line just like a cat girl. Now add some light shadow on the lower part of the iris. Let's add a shadow on the center area as well. Now add a little bit of a bluish glow here and on this side too. And add some extra spots of lights to irises by making some lines and dots. Now add some highlights on both sides. Now we add the lashes. Use chalk brush. Let's draw a line over the eye and give a nice shape. Now add some lower lashes. Next, draw an eyebrow and make a nice shape. Now, let's draw a cute little nose here in between the eyes. And let's draw a kitty-like mouth here. Next, draw a neck shape and drag in color to fill the shape. Now add some clothes and let's start over here and make the shoulders. Then go back down and close the shape here and fill the shape. Next, let's draw a hair to a cute manga girl by making swooping motion here and making some pointy shapes and fill it with color. Let's add some more hair. Let's start from the center line and make a swooping motion like this and fill the shape. Now make a swooping motion on the right side just along that eyebrow and fill the shape. Now, let's add some shading to the face and making a nice rosy cheeks and nose. Let's do the same thing for the neck layer and a little shadow here. Next, let's add some details on clothing. I feel like adding more wavy hairs to give extra volume. Now add some lines to hair. Draw them a little bit rounded and try to give a nice flowing motions following the shape of hair. And we will add some lighter lines as well to give a nice effect to the hair. And add some dark shadow behind the neck. And add light shadow over here. Now let's move on to the top area of hair. Add some more volume to the upper layer of hair. Next, let's add some lines over here again, making swooping motions like this and over here as well. And some lighter one as well. Now let's add some bright highlight areas on hair, making some shorter and little bit longer strokes, and do the same thing on lower area of hair as well. Now, just add some outlines to our drawing and add an extra touch. Please subscribe to our channel. It is an easy way to support us to make more such videos. And that's it. We have created a cute manga girl. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, leave a comment and let me know if you would like to see more tutorials like this one. See you next time. Till then, keep practicing.